Oh, there's a hot air balloon out there. Well, not gonna walk here too long. I just wanted to capture some of these trees. The trees here are a little smaller than the ones on further north into Corrales, but they're still beautiful. My only problem here is that I don't like crowds. And for some of you guys may say, this is crowded, there's no people there. Well, it's crowded for me. Not that I'm afraid of people, but I avoid the crazies. So out there on the east side is the Sandia Mountains. Sometimes in the afternoon they get bright red, because that rock up there turns colors compared to the sunset. Maybe I'll stay here for the sunset. I need to go home and eat. I'm hungry. I had breakfast at 7:30 this morning, and then I went to church, and afterwards I came out here and started walking. So I've been walking all afternoon, and I haven't eaten anything. With the ketogenic diet, I have in the morning 3 scrambled eggs, and that's it. No bread, no potatoes, nothing. That gives me enough energy to go hiking. It's an awesome picture right there. Oh, ducks. They just flew over. So out here you see a lot of the ravens or the crows, ducks, some geese fly through here, and they come in here, and there's a pool there where they migrate to. Folks, I hope you like this kind of content. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you want. Follow me if you want. I go up on this other side just for the heck of it.